Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're a Firefox user, there was an update push today to Firefox. If you go into your Firefox browser, upper right corner in the hamburger menu, and go down to Help and About Firefox, you have been pushed to 147.0.2. This fixes a few bugs, including some websites that are actually flagged as malicious websites, even though they are not. So that's one of the problems. And there's a few other issues, including one that is specific for Linux users only. But the most important, if your browser didn't have any problem, is security fixes. This one brings out 3 security fixes. 2 are high severity. And so it is important to update your Firefox browser, at least for the security flaws that it actually fixes. They are important to fix to make sure that you stay safe as you're browsing the internet. So a few bug fixes and a few security updates. This is where you are with the Firefox web browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.